Thank you for joining me today for Business Pointers Overview. Today we'll be covering the order management or the sales module. We're going to start off with some basic architecture, and then we'll go into the features of the sales module. The sales module will have a workbench, which is going to pull all your alerts from the system onto one page for you. It's also going to integrate with Outlook and a few other email providers, and this is going to pull your calendar information. It'll also let you directly attach if anybody sends you an invoice or a sales order through email. Those can be directly attached to that item into the system. We have the administration section, which is our super user section. It's going to be where we do some basic setup from your Dunning wizard to your workforce management. We have the report section, which will give you access to a set of generic reports. It'll also give you access to our query designer, which is our built-in BI tool, and that'll allow you to make your customized reports. And the final part of our architecture is our dashboards, and that'll give you a visual real-time representation of what data you have in the system. So the sales module is going to allow you to keep track of who your customers are, who your vendors are. If you have any dropship vendors, you can directly assign them. You can define your credit limits and your routes, and you can directly create those Dunning letters. You'll have access to the product master, which will tell you what items you have available. You can directly assign customers to sales orders and products. Maybe they only buy one product. You can directly assign those warehouses to products too. You'll have full forecasting ability. You'll be able to directly allocate those products to a sales order. You'll also be able to directly create your inventory quotes and orders in the system. And once you have an inventory quote or order, you can directly convert it over to the next level of the process documentation. That way you never have to re-enter a document twice. We also have a customer portal, so if you do order or sell any items through your website, then you'll be able to post those through the inventory master onto the customer portal, and your customers will directly be able to make your orders through the system, and then those would show up on your order list. You'll have a stock check where you can see how much stock you currently have available, and there'll also be a capacity check, so you can see if you're producing an item, when that item will be ready for your customer. You'll have the full ability to do your deliveries and shipments through the system. There are APIs with UPS, FedEx, and USPS. It also integrates with our transportation module. So if you're using any third-party logistics companies or have your own fleet of trucks, you can directly see when those shipments are going to be delivered. You can directly do your picking and packing, and you'll be able to directly track those shipments. You can convert your sales orders over into your invoices and create any credit memos and assign credit limits. So that covers our sales module today. Thank you for joining, and have a wonderful day.